For this activity, we're going to need some watercolor paper. We're going to need a little dish for water. These are dog bowls from the dollar store. They're nice and shallow, so they're good for the water so they don't tip it over as if you put water in one of these. We're gonna need some paintbrushes, and we're going to need some watercolor, and we're going to need a white crayon. One thing that I did is we are using cool colors, so I got 2 washable watercolor palettes, and what I did is I only added the blues and the greens and the purples to make it a cool watercolor palette so that we don't get all the colors mixed up and it turns into muddy. So this gives them the liberty, the freedom to work with all different types of colors, but we're only working in the cool side of the color wheel, which is going to make a nice little color palette for them, and it'll prevent the colors to be muddy. When they mix, they're gonna make some different types of blues, different greens. I added the white as well and a really dark blue, so once they finish the color paper, it's gonna look pretty because it's all the cool. So this is a nice little technique. If you want to do, you just divide the cut, like take out all the warms, like the reds and the yellows and the orange, and put it in a different palette. So this is a nice little cool palette because we're gonna be doing 2 different activities today with our watercolor paper.
Using a white crayon, draw letters or scribbles or pictures onto your white paper. Then cover it with watercolors, and then your magic letters and drawings are going to appear. Have some fun!